How to create an Android TV on a Windows computer. Android Studio, download and install. Next, install, complete installation. Next, create a virtual Android TV. More actions, Virtual Device Manager, create virtual device, TV. Full HD. Next. Name. Full HD TV. Finish. Make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. Intel Virtualization Technology. Android TV. Start. Android TV, by default, you cannot use this TV in full screen mode. Therefore, do the following. Install AutoHotkey. New script. Name. Save. Code. Copy. Paste. Customized according to your computer. Add path. Emulator path. Android virtual device name. 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 Save. Next. Use your Google account to install the application. These are the steps to create an Android TV on Windows. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.